Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited today because my favorite seasonal subscription box has arrived. It is the FabFitFun, and this is the Fall 2019 box. I love getting these every season because they have so much in them. It's about $50 for each box, but you receive well over $200 worth of stuff in it. I always saw ads for it on Facebook, Twitter, all kinds of social media ads, and I always saw like the celebrity ads, you know, of them getting their boxes. And I thought that, oh, okay, that's overrated. Let me just, you know, scroll right by. But then, my mother-in-law actually was receiving the boxes and I was like, wow, that's actually really cool. So I decided to sign up for my own, and I definitely don't regret it because I get to try so many new products that I probably wouldn't have tried otherwise without receiving this box. And a lot of them I end up liking and end up repurchasing in the future because I like them so much. But anyway, so for anybody that is on the fence of whether or not they want to sign up for a FabFitFun box, I figured that I would do an unboxing of it so that maybe if you're on the fence, you could see what you can expect from inside some of these boxes, and it'll help you decide if you want to order one too. So first things first, every box comes with this, I guess kind of like a catalog, and it tells you inside what comes in the box, and not every box has the same stuff. A few items are customizable. When you receive the email saying that they're starting to pack up the boxes for the next season, they'll allow you to customize like 2 or 3 of those items, and depending on the membership that you have, you'll be able to customize more. In addition, they allow you to add on a bunch of products. They have like a whole marketplace of different beauty, lifestyle, fashion products that are like probably around like 70 to 80% off. Like they're really good prices. And beyond that, they just have a bunch of different little stories in here and how some people use the products and all that good stuff. So first is this After Spa hair towel. It's one of those hair wraps that you put on your hair once you're out of the shower, which is actually really great because I'm the type of person that puts a big bulky towel on my head and then tries to fit a t-shirt over it, and it never works out in my favor. But it's cute, it's pink, it feels like it will be really soft. And this, if you didn't receive this, which is worth $18, you would have received a curry dual salt and pepper meal worth $21.95, a Trestique mini eye essentials set of 4 worth $48, or a Skin Evolve body boost gel worth $45. Then we have an Aromatherapy Associates Deep Relax Roller Ball. I love aromatherapy stuff, and this is going to come in real handy because it is something that can be carried around with me places, and all you have to do is not messy, and it smells really good. It's definitely a relaxing scent, so I can definitely see me using this a lot. And if you didn't receive this, which is worth $29, you would have received a Wander Beauty Baggage Plain Gold Eye Mask, a 6-pack of them for $25, a Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner for $30. So this next item is actually one of the customizable items that you could have chosen from. This is a Kate Spade lunch tote, which is really cute. It obviously doesn't have to be used for lunch per se. You can probably use this for makeup products or hair products. But anyway, it's really cute. It says out to lunch on it, real tiny. This is definitely good for work if you tend to bring snacks. You can always hold it in here. It is insulated on the inside, so you can probably put an ice pack in there and keep things cool. But anyway, it's really cute. I'm happy with this. So like I said, this Kate Spade lunch tote is one of the customizable items in the box. I chose this because I knew I would use it and I needed the lunch box. But if you wanted to choose a different item, you could have chose between that, which is worth $30, sorry if I butcher this, but NASIFMD detox pads, which are worth $45, a Cut from the Cloth slim striped wallet, which was worth $60, a twine cheese board with plate, which is worth $30. So all the items are super cute. You can see them in the little pamphlet here. But like I said, I really needed a lunchbox, so that was my choice. So another one of the customizable things that you could have chosen from were a plush ultra soft plaid scarf worth $75, an Anthropology travel yoga mat worth $50, and a Mika Strand perfect ceramic styler worth $80, or a mystery item which is worth $42 or more. I chose the mystery item because I don't know, I like being surprised. And in there I received, let's see, this little bag says mystery choice on it. My mystery items were the Dr. Brandt pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser. I've heard of this brand before, but never this product. So I'm pretty excited to try that out. Here's the tube. It says apply on damp skin and gently massage to rid skin of excess oil, makeup, pollution, and everyday grime. Use AM and PM. That's good. I'm always in need of a new face mask, and you know, you saw my other video, a lot of my favorite face masks actually come from these FabFitFun boxes, so that's really exciting. So my other mystery item was Runway Ready Luxury Foot Treatment by Dermalect. Here's the box. And this is a good product to have with the colder months coming up. Here's the tube. It says it has keratin, peptide, argan oil, and GABA in it. I've never tried a foot treatment before, but I'm always willing to try new things, and who knows, maybe I'll love it. So next is the Better Skin Company Better Skin Lava Magic Cleanser Scrub and Mask. I've seen this marketing or this brand before, but I've never tried it. It's a daily cleanser, exfoliating scrub, and revitalizing mask. If you didn't receive this in your box, which is worth $32, you could have received the Bulb Bar Farrah Ear Crawlers worth $34, or Cosmetics Pure C worth $54. There's a picture here of what the mask looks like. It's bright orange. I mean, I guess that makes sense if you're gonna call something lava, but I'm really excited to use it, and I'll definitely let you guys know what I think of it once I do use it. Now these last three products are products that are found in every box. The way that they set up these boxes are the products that are in every box. There are products that they kind of, you know, depending on your membership, you can either customize or they'll choose one to put in your box. And then there's like one or two items that everybody can customize for their box. But like I said, these last three items are items that were in every box. So first we have the Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes, which are really cool. I've never tried any of these exfoliating sugar stuff before. So this looks really cool. Oh, and they smell really good too. It smells kind of like citrusy. But anyway, so these are worth $16 and they exfoliate and nourish your skin. So I'm really excited to try these out and smell great. Then there is the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. It says that it is infused with quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy, and it will instantly repair and protect your hair from heat styling. It is worth $30. I'm really excited to try this because ever since I cut my hair short, I've been basically curling it every day. This is actually a rare occurrence that I haven't curled my hair. I kind of like to give my hair a rest from the heat, but this is really great. I can't wait to try it out, and I'm really hoping it helps my hair. And lastly is the Human & Kind Body Souffle. It has apricot oil and shea butter in it. I've never heard of this brand before, but it looks really fun and vibrant. Oh, and it smells really good too. This is worth $18. I guess it is something that you can use whenever you want. Yeah, so it's like a lotion. It's supposed to soothe and moisturize skin. It says apply as needed. So I'm really excited to try this. I love things that smell good. I just love it. So it says here that depending on the items that were in your box, the total of your box was anywhere between $211 and $345.99 this season, which is, like I said, is really great for only spending $50 for this box. I definitely recommend it because you really never know what you're going to get, and like I said, you'll probably get products that you either one, never heard of before, or brands that you typically wouldn't buy out at the store, depending on if it's, you know, maybe it's the price that would cause you not to buy it, or it's just something that never caught your eye. You really never know. I feel like the best things in life are brought to you by surprise. So I personally think this box is really worth it. So if you're interested in signing up for your own subscription of FabFitFun, they come every season. So last one I received, I believe, was in July, so now it's September and I'm receiving my fall one. They are $50 per box, but if you sign up right now, you can use the code Pumpkin Spice and it will get you $10 off your first box. So all this stuff for just $40, which is awesome. I'm going to leave a link to sign up in the blog post that will be linked in the description below, and you can type in that Pumpkin Spice code and you'll receive $10 off your first box. Like I said, it is really worth it to subscribe to these boxes because instead of going to the store and spending $400 on products that you consistently buy, you can spend $50 and try products that you may have never tried before or heard of before, but may end up loving. It's worth the gamble, in my opinion. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this helped you hop off the fence of whether or not you're going to be purchasing a subscription to FabFitFun. And if you have any other subscription boxes that you would recommend to me, or that you love, or that you're wondering about what is inside of them that you think I should try, please let me know in the comments below and I'll see what I can do.